Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sukriyllah bin Yusri. My application number is S52436. My supervisor is Dr. Muhammad Muhammad. So basically my final year project is about interactive learning application in proximity and photodiode sensor design, development and usability. Application outline is first is research background, second is problem statement, third is objective, four is hypothesis, five is scope of research, six is literature review, methodology, result, problem and solution, Gantt chart and milestone. So for research background, the visual learners prefer to learn via the user visual channel. Auditory learners enjoy the oral learning channel. Kinesthetic learners are those who apply total physical involvement. So this project is designing, developing interactive learning application. This application will be connected to ARDUINO and proximity photodiode sensor, which is it will show the value of parameters detected by the sensors in an interactive way, so that student can learn the particular of the subject. This project is to increase the understanding of kinesthetic student. Problem statement is the sensor subject offers in Bachelor Applied Science, Electronic and Instrumentation for first year student in second semester, which is the subject has no practical session. They only facilitate understanding for auditory and visual students, which is they have computer. Next is 10 to my generation Z students feel bored, which is subject is only focused on theory, which is no practical session. Most of special software can be installed in lecture hall's computer, which is MATLAB, which is can be installed in lecture hall's computer. So this project will bring lab experiment into the lecture hall. The objective that I achieved until now is first, to develop a GUI system using MATLAB and to interface ARDUINO to develop GUI. So the third objective is on the way, which is to develop application file of GUI system to be executed in the lecture room. So the first hypothesis of this project is able to teaching and can attract the students. Second, the lecturer can cover the domain K, which is kinesthetic, as they can learn by doing experiment in the lecture hall. Third is students become more fun and understand of what their lecturer teaching. Scope of study. So for this project is cover radiation and magnetic sensors. Under magnetic sensors, Hall effect, eddy current sensor and proximity sensor. Proximity sensor has been chosen for this project. So for radiation sensor, photovoltaic cell, photoconductive cells, photoemissive cell and photodiode. For this project, photodiode sensor is chosen. This is my literature review for this project. Methodology, which is first start. So next is the develop graphical user interface. If success, we proceed to the next methodology, which is circuit connection for ARDUINO system. We success, we go through to the interface, the ARDUINO. So basically, I proceed to the interface, the ARDUINO to GUI, which is I still explore to this develop application file for this project and test and troubleshoot for this project. So result GUI for photodiode sensor is this is my GUI for photodiode sensor. See if I have 6 button. I have 7 button, which is image, properties, circuit connection, sensing mechanism, flowchart, and hardware connection. In image, I have so this is the first button of my photodiode sensor GI. This is for image of the sensor, which is I include the picture of infrared IR sensor and the detail of the photodiode sensor. Next is properties. In this properties, in this GUI properties of photodiode sensor, I include the advantage of the photodiode, disadvantage of photodiode, the application, and the datasheet of IR sensor. So next is circuit connection. So this is my circuit connection of photodiode sensor. This I put the circuit connection of this IR sensor. So next is the sensing mechanism button. This is my sensing mechanism of photodiode sensor. I put the image of the photodiode and the working principle of this IR sensor. So next is flowchart. For this flowchart of photodiode sensor, I put the this IR sensor of flowchart. Okay, next is hardware connection. For this hardware connection, I put the ARDUINO and the IR sensor to the ARDUINO for this hardware connection of photodiode sensor. Okay, next is this is my GI for proximity sensor, which is have 7 button for this GI. So first is image. So for this image of proximity sensor, I put the image of this proximity component, which is 3 picture to explain of this proximity sensor component. These properties. So basically for this properties of proximity sensor GUI, I put the advantage, the disadvantage, application, and the datasheet of this inductive proximity sensor. Okay, next is the hardware connection button. This hardware connection of proximity sensor, I put the ARDUINO and the sensor connection. Okay, next is the flowchart button. For this flowchart proximity sensor, I put the this inductive proximity sensor flowchart. Next is the sensing mechanism button. Okay, for this sensing mechanism of proximity sensor, I put is the how the proximity sensor works. This is have 3 pictures. Okay, and the last button for this proximity sensor is also the circuit connection. Okay, for this circuit connection of proximity sensor, I put the proximity sensor connection, circuit connection, which have 3 pictures. Okay, for this result interface ARDUINO to MATLAB, which is my second objective for this final year project, which is interface ARDUINO to MATLAB. So basically, I put when I connected the ARDUINO with this laptop, the ARDUINO is detected, which is successfully to interface ARDUINO to MATLAB, and this is the coding. So for this problem I'm solving, first problem is ARDUINO can be interfaced only by coding in the MATLAB. So the solving is install the ARDUINO support package in the MATLAB. Second is the source code for the sensor and MATLAB. To run this project, system is not provided, so I must do more research and explore it by myself and get some advice from the supervisor. So this is my Gantt chart. This is the green is the successful research activity, when the yellow box is the in the progress, and the red box is the research activity which is not done, have done yet. So this is my milestone. This I have done until now, which is the interface, the Arduino to GI, and this developed application file for developed system is on undo. So that's all from me. Thank you.